In previous sessions, we covered Targus's truly universal docking stations that utilize USB for both data and video and have truly universal power. In this session, we'll talk about alternate mode docking stations with universal power. Alternate mode means alternate to the USB Type-C specifications, and it cannot be converted to Type A host connections. There are many alternate modes, but the two most prevalent are Thunderbolt 3 and DisplayPort alternate mode. Thunderbolt 3 is referred to as just Thunderbolt, and DisplayPort alternate mode is often referred to as just USB-C. And this can be confusing because many alternate modes utilize the Type-C connector, some are compatible, and implementations vary widely. Most of the confusion stems from the options to each of the USB alternate mode specifications and the compatibility between them. Targus USB-C and Thunderbolt docking stations were designed to be ultra-compatible, multi-function alternate mode docking stations when connected to a USB-C or Thunderbolt host. For instance, the Targus Dock 430 USB-C multi-function DisplayPort alternate mode triple video docking station with 85 watt power delivery, a mouthful I know, works with Windows PC, MacBooks, iPad OS, iPad Pros, Linux PC, Chromebooks, Android devices including the DeX overlay, and even many popular thin client operating systems with USB-C port support. Through a single Thunderbolt-compatible USB Type-C connection to the host, the Dock 430 provides up to 3 external monitors, 2 with DisplayPort and 1 with HDMI. It also has 4 Type A USB 3.2 Gen 1 5 gigabit per second ports. 1 on the side is high power charging, 2 on the front, accessible for your peripherals. It also has a USB 3.2 Gen 2 or 10 gigabit per second USB Type-C port, and of course an audio port and a wire speed gigabit Ethernet port. Through that single USB Type-C connection to the host, the Dock 430 also provides up to 85 watts of power at all the popular voltages, including 5, 9, 12, 15, and 20 volts DC. The Dock 430 is Visa mount compatible. This means you can mount the Dock 430 on the back of your monitor to hide it away where only a cord shows up on your desktop. Other alternate mode docks in our lineup include the portable USB-C travel docks, models Dock 411 and Dock 412. The Dock 411 includes a USB Type-C DisplayPort alternate mode compatible with Thunderbolt 3 host connection pigtail. It has a VGA port that supports up to 2048 by 1152 60 Hz, or you can use the HDMI port all the way up to 4K. It has 1 USB 3.1 Gen 1 5 gigabit per second USB 3.0 Type A port, a gigabit Ethernet port, and of course the HDMI port that includes 5.1 channel audio. The Dock 412 has all the same features as the Dock 411, but in addition has a mini DisplayPort for DisplayPort monitors, and its biggest feature is it supports power delivery pass-through on its power delivery Type-C port all the way to 60 watts. Whether your customer needs an alternate mode docking station or a universal docking station, Targus has a docking station to meet their needs and maximize their productivity in just about any workload. All of our Targus docking stations come with the industry-leading 3-year warranty and global applications engineering support. In this session, we touched upon the differences between universal docking stations and alternate mode docking stations. At Targus, both with truly universal power. We went over the Dock 430 and Targus's travel docks, the Dock 411 and Dock 412.